Welcome to Learn Short and Typing with Vikas Sir. The Hindu editorial dictation heading is Delhi Undermined. This article is completely related to दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट एंड बीजेपी गवर्नमेंट. आज का आपका होमवर्क है दिल्ली अंडरमाइंड. यहाँ पे आप अंडरमाइंड का मीनिंग कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करेंगे. ओके, आज हम शुरुआत करते हैं अपनी डिक्टेशन को. बी 120 वर्ड पर मिनट्स. Be ready? Start. Now, the Centre's bill seeking to amend the law relating to the running of the National Capital Territory of Delhi claims that it is aimed at giving effect to the interpretation given by the Supreme Court judgments on Delhi's governance structure. The proposed changes are the very antithesis of what the court has said. The bill, if it becomes law, will wholly undermine the court's efforts to strengthen the elected government via which the appointed lieutenant governor. The Constitution bench verdict of July 4, 2018 said the Lieutenant Governor has not been entrusted with any independent decision-making power. He has to either act on the aid and advice of the Council of Ministers, or he is bound to implement the decision taken by the President on a reference being made by him. The aid and advice clause pertains only to matters on which the elected assembly has powers under the state and concurrent lists, but with the exception of public order, police and land, and wherever there are differences between the LG and the elected government, the former should refer the question to the President. The court was at pains to clarify that the power to refer any matter to the President did not mean that every matter should be referred thus. The guiding principle was that the elected government should not be undermined by the unelected administrator. The bill introduced in the Lok Sabha does violence to this interpretation. The bill seeks to declare that in the context of legislation passed by the Delhi Assembly, all references to the government would mean the Lieutenant Governor. Indeed, Delhi is a union territory, but it is somewhat incongruous for a territory with an elected house to be declared the sole domain of the LG. The apex court had rightly concluded that the scheme set out in the Constitution and the Government of National Capital Territory of Delhi Act 1991 envisages a collaborative structure that can be worked only through constitutional trust. The proviso to Article 239 AA, which empowers the LG to refer a difference of opinion with the Council of Ministers to the President, does not mean the administration is given an opportunity to come up with a different opinion on every decision made by the ministry. Yet it is precisely what the bill proposes to do, and it is quite incongruous that instead of Parliament identifying the matters on which the LG opinion should be sought, the bill proposes that the LG himself would specify such matters. The clause that declares void any rule that empowers the Assembly or its committees to discuss any matter of day-to-day administration or conduct inquiries amounts to a rollback of representative government. The Union Territory concept is one of the many ways in which India regulates relations between the center and its units. It should not be used to subvert the basis of इलेक्टोरल डेमोक्रेसी. फुल स्टॉप. ये आर्टिकल आपका 120 वर्ड पर मिनट से. इस आपको डिक्टेशन को टाइप कीजिए, टाइप करने के बाद इसको आप मैच कीजिए. और हाँ, आज का आपका होमवर्क है, एक तो आप अंडरमाइन का आप मीनिंग कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करेंगे, और सेकंड आप लेफ्टिनेंट की स्पेलिंग, ओके, लेफ्टिनेंट की स्पेलिंग उस कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करेंगे. और वीडियो आपको अच्छे लगते हैं, वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, वीडियो को शेयर कीजिए, और अपने फ्रेंड सर्कल के साथ इसको बार बार इसको शेयर कीजिए, और उनको बताइए कि शॉर्ट हैंड कितनी इम्पोर्टेंट है. जो बच्चे अभी 12th करेंगे या 12th करने वाले हैं, जो ग्रेजुएशन में हैं, कि शॉर्ट हैंड की इम्पोर्टेंस बताइए अपने आसपास के जो आपका फ्रेंड सर्कल है सभी को. ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच, हैव ए गुड डे.